Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Building the Syren. This week we are going to continue framing the stern. This is a two-part video. I put a link to part 1 in the description below. This was quite a lengthy process, so I tried my best to capture the highlight of all this activity. Without further ado, let's get started. In this first portion of the video, I am going to be focusing on setting down the sail on the lintel using various methods. I am using a strip of wood to determine the rough inside shape of the stern. For the outside, I use a paper template of the stern shape. After the rough shape has been determined, it's just a matter of removing the bulk of material using a saw. And again, like you've seen in previous video, a lot of sanding goes into that to get the final shape. There's always a time when you work on a video that you make the mistake and lose some footage, and that's what happened here. So we have a still picture of the effort that went into building a filler block to support the planking. In this section here, I am focusing on removing the majority of the bulk material with a small saw and sanding it down to get a pretty close final shape for that filler block. I wanted to add additional strip of wood to support the planking and build that stern filler block a little bit more. So what you're going to see here is me adding some additional wood and shaping it down. All right, everyone, this is the final result for this week's activities. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.